Welcome to Asset Plan Machinery. Today we're excited to release our new Impact eBend CNC press brake onto the market. This is one of the most feature-packed press brakes with a touchscreen 2-axis controller on the Australian market, released by Steelmaster Industrial. Now let's run through some of the features. We've got a 2-axis CNC controller, touchscreen, as you can see there, which operates the downstroke and also the backgauge position. It all comes fully fitted with our laser S Keili guards, as you can see there as well, so the operator can work nice and close to tooling. It has sliding front sheet supports there, full tooling, multi-V bottom die block in a cradle, and also segmented top gooseneck tooling with horned ends. So like if you're doing end work around the tooling, those horned ends are actually very handy. Now, other features on our Impact press brake, as we can see over here, we've got the height adjustment, so you can quickly alter your height up and down. So if you're doing a small job, simply lower that open height setting to a low position, and it doesn't have to stroke all the way up, so you can make this this machine run as fast as you like. So around the back of the machine, we've also got an open back system, which as you can see there, we've got laser safeguards on the back, so if somebody goes in the back, it turns the machine off. Also an illuminated back working area there, as you can see, so the back of the machine's nice and open and light. We've got 4 fingers on the press brake, and nice quality fingers there as well, not just some simple little system. We've got flip up fingers there, so you can actually adjust those in nice and close to your job and get exacting back gauge finishes. Our 135 ton press brake, which is what we're looking at now, has a huge 425 deep throat, so all your catering work, splashbacks, bench tops, and all those love this big deep throat. And also it's a 3200 by 135 ton, but the frame distance, as you can see there, is also really large as well. It's about around 2900. So all of our machines get pre-commissioned prior to dispatch, and our Impact press brake now joins our range of press brakes on our floor, our Absolute, which is our base NC, right up to our Aquarel 5 and 7 axis CNC press brakes. But jump onto assetplan.com.au and see our range of sheet metal and metalworking machinery. Thanks and have a great day.